Greetings, fellow developers. Welcome back to your guide through the labyrinth of intricate web development challenges. As you know, this platform is much more than just a resource. It's your aid, your companion, navigating the complex world of technology. We aim to provide you with enlightening experience each time you tune in, helping you embrace the challenges and complexities that come with coding and programming. Today, we're taking a fascinating journey into the realm of debugging and troubleshooting, two realms that can often appear daunting to newcomers. Debugging is an integral part of the development process, a detective's job in the world of codes. Every coding language has its bugs, but fear not, for every bug, there is a solution, a resolution waiting to be uncovered. Troubleshooting, on the other hand, is about refining and optimizing your codes. It's about understanding the problem, identifying the root cause, and formulating a solution that not only works, but also improves your code's efficiency. This dynamic duo of debugging and troubleshooting forms the crux of our conversation today. We recognize the relevance of these superhero skills in every coder's toolbox. They are indispensable, vital, crucial to your success as a developer. Not only do they help you eliminate errors, but they also enhance your understanding, widen your perspective, and take your coding skills to new heights. These skills help you turn challenges into opportunities, making you a more adaptable and efficient coder. So, fellow developers, it's time to embrace these skills, to understand their significance, and to master the art of bug slaying. It's time to move beyond just writing codes. It's time to refine them, to perfect them, to make them error-free. Stick around and let's decode the mysteries of bug slaying together. Debugging is not just about fixing bugs. It's a journey of discovery and improvement. This fascinating process is an integral part of the software development cycle, and it involves the identification, isolation, and fixing of bugs present in computer programs. It's much more than just hunting down errors. It's about understanding why these errors occurred in the first place and learning how to prevent them in the future. In the vast world of programming, debugging is akin to an art form. It requires a deep understanding of the code, the ability to think critically and analytically, and a good dose of patience. It pushes you to think outside the box, to look at problems from different angles, and to explore possibilities that you didn't think of before. In this video, we will delve into the intricacies of debugging. We will walk you through the process step by step, from setting up your debugging environment to using advanced debugging techniques. We will discuss the various tools and strategies you can utilize to successfully navigate through the debugging process. For programmers, debugging is not just a task to be checked off a list, it's a lifelong learning process that helps them grow and improve. It is a continual cycle of identifying problems, understanding their causes, finding solutions, and applying those solutions. It provides opportunities to learn new strategies, enhance problem-solving skills, and gain a deeper understanding of the systems being worked on. In this video, we'll explore the essential skills and tools you need to navigate through the debugging maze. UI issues are like hidden treasures waiting to be found. They lurk in the shadows of your application, silently sabotaging user experiences and thus impacting your product's potential success. Our goal with this tutorial is to guide you in uncovering these hidden glitches that might be causing hurdles on your path to delivering a seamless user experience. We'll cover a range of common problems you may encounter, from layout glitches that distort your carefully designed interfaces to responsiveness challenges that frustrate your users as they switch between devices and screen sizes. We'll delve into the specifics of these issues, why they occur, how they impact your application and your users, and most importantly, how you can overcome them. In the vast landscape of user interface development, these UI issues may seem like minor inconveniences, but their cumulative effect can be damaging, creating a ripple of discontent among your users. Therefore, being able to identify these issues, understanding their origins and implications, and taking appropriate corrective action is crucial. It is a skill that can significantly enhance your proficiency as a developer. Moreover, we will also walk you through various preventative measures that you can incorporate in your development process to minimize the occurrence of such problems in the future. We'll provide you with practical tips and techniques based on real-world experiences that will help you build and maintain applications that are not only visually appealing but also user-friendly. So let's unfurl the mystery, brush away the cobwebs, and shine a light on these hidden problems. Let's start by identifying these pesky bugs. Browser developer tools are your trusty sidekick in debugging. These tools are essentially a kit of utilities designed to help web developers in their daily tasks. They assist in live editing and testing, performance analysis, debugging JavaScript, and many more functions. Let's start with the most commonly used feature, the ability to inspect elements. This allows you to point at any element on your web page and view the corresponding HTML and CSS. You can modify these to see how changes might affect the layout, allowing for quick debugging and refining of your page design. Next, they offer console tools, which play a critical part in debugging JavaScript. It allows us to write, manage, and monitor JavaScript right within the browser. Console logs give us insights into how our code is behaving or misbehaving, helping us spot errors and anomalies. The network panel is another key tool, which helps us monitor and optimize load performance. It displays all network requests made by a page, providing details such as the start time, end time, and duration of each request. This can be immensely useful to analyze any delays in page loading or to optimize the performance. Other features include the JavaScript debugger for stepping through your code line by line, performance tools for understanding runtime performance, and security panels to inspect issues with certificates, cookies, and headers. So, there's much more to browser developer tools than meets the eye. They're not just tools, they're an extension of the web developer, a means to interact directly with the code, the browser, and the user interface. From inspecting elements to analyzing network requests, we'll uncover the power of these tools to dissect and diagnose UI issues. The console is your communication channel with the code. It serves as a tool for programmers, a bridge, if you will, that allows them to interact with the coded world they're molding. It presents itself as a window, a gateway between you and the complex algorithms that make up your masterpiece. In essence, the console is much more than just an output screen. It's a dynamic environment that holds your code, running it, testing it, and pointing out any errors or issues that might arise. It is a liaison, a mediator between your thoughts and the series of zeros and ones that comprise the digital realm. By effectively using the console, you can trace how your code behaves, how it flows from one function to another, data, and produces the output you desire. It provides hints, clues, and signals that help you understand what's happening under the hood. It shows you the unseen, the abstract, the digital DNA of your application. But it's not just about detecting issues, it's about understanding them. By reading the console's messages and feedback, you can identify the root cause of any problems that emerge. Whether it's a syntax error, a type mismatch, or a logical misfire, the console equips you with the knowledge needed to resolve these issues, nudging you towards the solution and making you a better coder in the process. Learn to leverage to understand the flow of your code and identify the root cause of issues. Breakpoints are like pit stops in your debugging journey. Pause the code execution at specific points to examine variables, conditions, and step through the code. The Network tab isn't just for loading resources, it's your detective tool for API troubleshooting. Learn to inspect HTTP requests and responses to identify issues. Minified code can be a debugging challenge, but source maps come to the rescue. Learn how to set up and use source maps to debug minified or transpiled code effectively. Asynchronous code can be tricky, but fear not. We'll explore techniques like and promise chaining to conquer the challenges of async debugging. And there you have it, a crash course in debugging and troubleshooting for web development. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more coding adventures. Until then, happy debugging everyone!